Jai Hind everyone, my name is Gagandeep and I welcome you all on our YouTube channel named Proud NCC. In today's video, we will be discussing 50 most important MCQ for your NCC A, B and C certificate examination, specialized subject NCC Air Wing. The first question is, who is the Supreme Commander of all the armed forces in India? The correct answer is President of India is the Supreme Commander for all the armed forces. Indian Army, Navy and Air Force. Next question. On which date is Air Force Day celebrated? Air Force Day is celebrated on 8th of October. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 3. Who is known as the father of the Indian Air Force? Father of the Indian Air Force is Subrata Mukherjee. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 4. Where is the headquarters of Indian Air Force located? The headquarters of Indian Air Force is situated in New Delhi. The answer will be New Delhi for Indian Army headquarters, Indian Navy headquarters and also NCC headquarters. The answer will be New Delhi. Next question. How many total commands does the Indian Air Force have? So Indian Air Force have total of 7 commands. You have to tell me in the comment box what are those 7 commands and where are their headquarters. Next question. What is the equivalent rank of an army brigadier in the Indian Air Force? Air Commodore is the equivalent rank of the army brigadier in the Indian Air Force. Question number 7. Question number 7 क्या कह रहा है कि which is the highest gallantry award in India during war time? So during war time, this is the point to be noted, during war time. Then the answer is Paramveer Chakra. Paramveer Chakra will be the correct answer. Total Paramveer Chakra awarded till now 21. First Paramveer Chakra was awarded to Major Somnath Sharma. Major Somnath Sharma. Somnath Sharma ji. Major Somnath Sharma ji are total 21 Paramveer Chakra awarded. In 1999, in Kargil War, Paramveer Chakra was awarded to the Captain Vikram Batra. Captain Vikram Batra. Points to be remembered. Captain Vikram Batra. Next question. Question number 8. Who is the only Indian Air Force officer to have received the Paramveer Chakra? So the correct answer is Nirmal Jeet Singh Sekho. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 9. Question number 9 is, what is the full form of UAV? The full form of UAV, unarmed aerial vehicle. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 10. Which of these is a transport aircraft and not a fighter? So the correct answer is C-17 Globemaster. Option C. Who was the Prime Minister of India during the 1971 Indo-Pak War? So Indira Gandhi ji was the Prime Minister of India during the 1971 Indo-Pak War. Army Chief was the Sam Manekshaw, Sam Bahadur. We also call him Sam Bahadur or Sam Manekshaw ji was the Army Chief during the 1971 Indo-Pak War. In this war, we liberate Bangladesh, or the Bangladesh was earlier known as East Pakistan. East Pakistan. 90,000 plus soldiers surrendered from Pakistan. Next question. What is the full form of LOC? The full form of LOC is line of control. But if they ask what is the full form of LAC, then the full form of LAC is line of actual control. Line of actual control. Next question. What was the code name of the Air Force operation during the Kargil War? So, for this question, the correct answer will be Operation Safed Sagar. Option C. Question number 14. Who was the first Marshal of the Indian Air Force? Arjan Singh was the first Marshal of the Indian Air Force. Who was the first Indian to go into space? So, Rakesh Sharma. Option C. What was the rank of the Rakesh Sharma ji? You have to tell me in the comment box. Question number 16. What was the famous statement by the Rakesh Sharma about how India looks फ्रॉम स्पेस। द करेक्ट आंसर इज सारे जहां से अच्छा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 17, डेंसिटी इज डिफाइंड एज मास पर यूनिट। सो डेंसिटी इज मास per unit volume. We represent density by rho, and density is mass per unit volume. Mass per unit volume. Next question, what is the SI unit of force? The SI unit of force is Newton. The SI unit of force is Newton, and F is equal to ma according to Newton's second law, where m is mass and a is acceleration. Question number 19, which point does the weight of an aircraft act through? Question number 19, which point does the weight of an aircraft act through? So the correct answer is center of gravity. Center of gravity. A body is designed to produce more lift than drag is called an. A body designed to produce more lift than drag is called an. That is known as aerofoil. Option C is the correct answer. Lift is which type of force? Lift is which type of force? So lift is upward force. Option C. Thrust is which type of force? Thrust is which type of force? So thrust is forward force. Forward force. Question number 23. Where does the pilot sit in the aircraft? So pilot sit in the aircraft in the cockpit. Option C. Next question. The relationship between velocity and pressure in a moving fluid is described by whose principle? The relationship between velocity and pressure in moving fluid is described by whose principle? So that is Bernoulli principle. Bernoulli principle is the principle responsible between the relation between velocity and pressure. Question number 25. In the lift equation, L is equal to 1 by 2 rho v square s. What does S represent? So S represent the surface area of the wing. Surface area of the wing. Question number 26. What is the full form of STOL? STOL. What is the full form of STOL? The full form of STOL is short takeoff landing. Short takeoff and landing. Option B. Question number 27. What part convert engine's power into thrust? What part converts engine power into thrust? So propeller. Propeller converts engine power into thrust. Question number 28. What are paved surface intended for takeoff and landing called? So they are called runways. आसान है question. Question number 29. What is the full form of ATC? The full form of ATC is air traffic control. Option B. Air traffic control. Question number 30. Vertical distance measured from mean sea level. The full form of MSL is mean sea level. Vertical distance measured from mean sea level is called. So that is known as altitude. Altitude. Option C. Question number 31. What is the full form of ETA? The full form of ETA is estimated time of arrival. Estimated time of arrival. Important questions. Next question. What is the full form of VFR? The full form of VFR. 32. So full form of VFR is visual flight rules. Visual flight rules. Question number 33. Lack of sufficient oxygen in the body cell is known as. So lack of sufficient oxygen in the body cell is known as. So it is known as hypoxia. Option B will be correct answer. Hypoxia. So let me write here. Hypoxia. HYPOXIA. Hypoxia will be correct answer. Question number 34. Which technique is used to resolve the problem of ear block during flight? So this technique is known as Valsalva technique. Option B. Option B. Question number 35. The earth is what kind of spheroid? So earth is oblate kind of spheroid. Option B. Which meridian passed through the Greenwich, England? Which meridian pass through the Greenwich, England? That is prime meridian, option B. How many feet are there in 1 nautical mile? In 1 nautical mile there are around 6076.12 feet. What is the percentage of nitrogen in the atmosphere? So in atmosphere there is 78.9% nitrogen, option C. You have to tell me in the comment box the percentage of oxygen in the atmosphere. Percentage of oxygen in the atmosphere. How many layers are there in atmosphere? In atmosphere, how many layers are there? So there are 5 layers. Can you tell me the name of these 5 layers? Tell me in the comment box. Question number 40. Which layer of the atmosphere causes reflection of the radio waves? So the reflection of the radio waves is caused by the ionosphere, option C. Question number 41. Propulsor is produced by converting heat energy into dash energy. Propulsion is produced by converting heat energy into mechanical energy. Mechanical will be correct answer. Mechanical energy. Next question, question number 42. Aero engine operates on which cycle? Aero engine operates on Brayton cycle, option B. हमारा यहाँ पे सही जवाब है. Question number 43. Propulsion is based on which of Newton's law? So propulsion is based on Newton's third law. Action and reaction are equal and opposite. Or we can call it conservation of linear momentum. Conservation of linear momentum. Next question, 44. What is the main body of an aircraft to which all components are attached? What is the main body of an aircraft to which all components are attached? So that is the correct answer for this will be option C. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 45. Ailerons are used to control which movement of the aircraft? So correct answer is rolling, option C. Which instrument shows the aircraft altitude above mean sea level? So that is altimeter. Altimeter is for the altitude. Question number 47. What is the full form of radar? So the full form of radar is radio detection and ranging. Option B. Radio detection and ranging. Question number 48. Which wood is most commonly used for making aero models? So correct answer for question number 48 is balsa wood. Option B. Balsa wood is mainly used for making aero models. Question number 49. An aircraft that can fly without any motive power is called a. So that is known as glider. Option C. Glider. And question number 50. Let me tell you that you can download this PDF from the Telegram. The link of the Telegram you will find in the first comment. Question number 50. In which year did Sir George Syle build a helicopter model? So it was the year of 1796. I hope you like the video. I hope most of the question in your exam will come from this video and you get benefited from this. So thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.